Welcome to our van life with our three good dogs, episode 72. A week later, amidst dog emergency and non-working power, we finally made it to beautiful British Columbia. Join us as we embark on new adventures, and thank you for watching.
What's up, everybody? We are in just north of Seattle, about the Volta area. Pulled off of the I-5 because there was an accident, so hopefully letting it get cleaned up, and grabbed a bite and some gas before we make our final push to Canada. We're probably about like an hour and a half away from the border, if that, depending on traffic. It's before technically rush hour, but it's pretty bad. So we got the pups all refreshed. We'll let you know when we're in line for the border and let you know how it goes.
Hi everyone, we are at our last stop here in Washington, near Blaine, Washington, just probably 20 minutes away from the border crossing. This will be Bail and Boba's first time in Canada. I am from Vancouver, BC, and it'll be the first time I get to go home in many years since COVID first happened. So I'm really excited to be back in Canada and hope to see more of different places that we are planning to go, and we'll show you around when we get to Canada. So stay tuned and hope you continue to stay with us in our journey. We're so excited to be in the border finally. We were supposed to
British Columbia 15 north for 3 miles.
We were supposed to get up here to Canada
Welcome to Canada.
We were supposed to get up here to Canada last Sunday. It was Sunday when we encountered problems with our Volta.
Yeah.
But now that we got everything fixed, today is Thursday. It took us a while to get back here. Monday. So we left Saturday.
Yeah, we were gonna go to Montana Monday and then cross over from Glacier.
So finally we're here. We'll be up here in Canada for a while before we head back home. We made it inside, finally. We're in Canada now. The wait itself probably took 15-20 minutes, and then the actual, I didn't film it, but
There's a really good border agent. He was fast.
yeah, only asked if we had guns with us, how long we'll be here, where we're going, and that was it. Didn't ask about food, and told us to have fun. So we're so happy. We're in Canada.
Back in Canada. It's been a while.
Back home. So stay tuned. We're gonna head to our next destination, which will be at my brother's house. We're gonna have dinner there, and the dogs need to be running around in the backyard because they've been waiting forever.
Hey everybody, so we have made it to Friday of our vacation week, and we are getting ready to head up with Pia's family to Whistler, which is evidently a new camping experience that they just opened up, and Pia's brother was lucky enough to grab a couple spaces. They have to go up a little bit later, so we're gonna resupply get on the road and maybe stop on a couple spots and check out the scenes. It's been quite a few years since we've been up to Whistler, so it was a very scenic drive, I'll remember, so it'll be fun. We'll show you along the way.
Everyone, we are here at the Whistler Olympic Campgrounds, and
Yeah, it's a pretty cool spot. Definitely a beautiful drive. Heading up to Whistler. We haven't been up here for quite a few years. And we are in a multi-use site up right next to the ski jump area. And there's some trails and some lodges and Olympic villages. So we're probably going to wait for the rest of our family to show up tonight and hang out. There's not a lot of people here, so it's pretty chill, and then we'll plan on exploring out tomorrow. So we'll probably fly the drone while there's not a lot of people around and see what there is to see.
it looks like there's massive flies
Yeah.
over here, so we're gonna have to set up this new tent that we brought with us, which we've never used before. So watch us set that up.
Yeah, we'll definitely take that.
All right, see you.
Bye-bye.
let's lift up the chihuahua. Babe.
Chewbacca. Okay, water. You're gonna move this in there, right? What you doing, Pia?
Setting up our string of lights.
So
First
you
time we're using this.
hook in the bluetti. Oh, she jumped up on the kilty herself.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I got a USB connection. Probably should make sure it still works.
The bluetti.
And the lights. Oh, yeah. It works. Probably should make sure it still works.
The bluetti.
And the lights. Oh, yeah. It works.